Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a open a file button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I will create here a button that will be open a new file. Select tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare from option. Now select start and click on this OK button and lower your button area. Now select right button properties. As it is general option, here you can change button name, visible, invisible, read only, and appearance option, choose a fill color, and font size is auto. Also you can change border color, line thickness. Now select option and type here your name, new file, add, and select. Now select action and click on this arrow, and here you will find this open a file option. Select here and add and show your file here. I'll choose this one and open. I'll choose here new windows and select OK and close preview. Now click on this button and see this file already added. Again click here and see this and close and new file add and see this. In this way you can add new file button. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.